Hi everyone, welcome to the another episode of TypeScript Zero to Hero series. In this video, we are going to talk about explicit type annotations in TypeScript. First, we need to know what are explicit type annotations. So, it means in TypeScript, you can manually assign types to the variables in TypeScript. So let's see how it works. I'm creating a variable called let username. Normally, we are saying username equals whatever the value. Okay. Apart from that, you can say this username only should contain a value of string and it is Alice. So that's how we can say explicitly this username attribute only contain a string value. So if we gonna uh, add uh, a number value for there, so it gives an error and say the type number is not assignable to TypeScript. Let's see another example. I'm creating a variable called user age and it's a number and I'm gives us as 30. And I'm creating another variable called let is admin. It should contain a boolean. It should contain a boolean and I make it false. So then like this way, we can explicitly say this type of variables should only contain the value of a boolean number or a string. Not only for the variables, but also for the functions, we can use that explicit type annotations. Let's see how it works. I'm creating a function called greet user and I'm making it as a void. Then I'm using console.log as uh, hello, the username parameter. So in this parameter, you can see I assign explicit type annotation as a this name only should contain a string and then I call this use I'm passing the value as a Bob and open terminal and I can say npx x app dot ts. See, it prints hello Bob. And also for the arrays, for the arrays also we can explicitly say the type. Okay, like this way. uh, um uh, so, uh, this should be a number array. It should be a number array. Like this way we can easily explicitly set the type annotation here, as well as for the object also we can use that explicit type annotation. Assume that I'm creating an object called person, and it is a person. Uh, there should be a name, and they should be able to have a age, and name should be a string, and age should be number. Okay, like this way. So if I'm going to pass a string in here, see, it immediately gives us an error. It immediately gives us an error. Type is string is not assignable to type number. So, uh, uh, so that's how it works. And also, I can do it as this way as well. I'm creating a variable called data, and uh, it might have contained a value of a string or a number, string or a number. Okay, so in one place, we can assign the value of data variable to a string, and another place we can assign a value for that data variable as a number. So that's how we can uh, explicitly annotate the type of a variable or a function. That's it for now. So in next video, we are going to talk about primitive types in TypeScript. See you in there.